Let's take a look at a program dashboard. So here we'll scroll down and select softball. So starting at the top, we can view everything about this program, and we can also edit information about this program. Notice that there's a tab here that says for events using this program. So if we tap that, it takes us to the event page and shows us all of the events for that program that are currently active or draft. If we scroll down, we can change event ticket types and venues. So here we can create a new venue or select a different venue or change the ticket types. This won't affect any existing tickets that have been sold, but this will affect new tickets that are sold. Notice on the right side that you can create an event for this program from this dashboard. So if we click that, it'll take us over to the Create New Event page. Or we can import a schedule from a CSV or a spreadsheet if we want to bring in bulk events. The Preview section shows what this will look like when patrons go to purchase tickets for this program. And we can also change the appearance again by selecting a different icon or color. The Active tab at the top allows you to inactivate programs, which will be hidden from event forms and won't appear in dropdowns, but it won't affect any existing events. So that's about it in a nutshell. This is the Program Edit and Dashboard page.